Hi, this is Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to explore how to make a neon nebula. This is PPG MULTI-PRO in eggshell, and that's my go-to pillow paint. Next up is Rave by this little Piggy. It is a neon blue. This is Déjà Vu by this little Piggy, and it's a neon magenta. This is Mosh by this little Piggy, and as you can tell, it's a neon orange, followed by Techno, which is a neon yellow. All the colors here are neon, except for the cell activators. This is titanium white cell activator, mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol, and that is by Amsterdam. Next is Oxide black, from Amsterdam, mixed exactly the same way. If you're interested in learning how I mix my paints, how I mix my cell activators, how I mix my my pouring mediums, there is a series of videos that I have. It'll be up here on the top where you can click and see those. Okay, just blow these out. You'll see the petals start, the cells start developing almost immediately. I'll leave you to listen to the music, and I'll come back at the end and we'll take a look at what we came up with. See you in just a minute. I think it's about time for the flyover. You can see I got some really very nice cells in this, although a little bit wonky. I don't mind that so much. And the white cell activator really picked up on the yellow, on that neon yellow, so I'm actually pretty happy about this piece. I'm going to get resined and most likely put on the wall somewhere here in the house. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free, and it really does help. I want to thank you again for being here today, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.